For today's video, we will discuss another type of factoring, the difference of two squares. So ang formula para sa difference of two squares, so if we have a squared minus b squared, so that is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So tatanggalin lang natin itong square and then we have sum and then product of the sum and difference of the first term and the second term. Tanggalin lang yung square. Okay, so answer na natin ang 10 examples para sa difference of two squares. So tandaan, ito ay difference, kailangan ang sign natin ay minus. Okay, so let's answer the 10 examples. Number 1, okay, 1 and 2. So we have x squared minus 25 and y squared minus 16. So gawin lang muna nating detailed, i-express natin sa ganitong form, a squared minus b squared. Okay, so x squared okay na. Itong 25, pwedeng isulat ang 25 ng, so this 25 can be expressed as 5 times 5 or 5 squared. Okay, so it's now in the form a squared minus b squared. So the factor of a squared minus b squared is a plus b times a minus b. Okay lang kung magkabaligtad na una nyong sinulat ang a minus b bago yung a plus b. Parehas lang yon. Okay, so therefore, ang factor na nito kapag nasa form na a squared minus b squared, so ang factor na niya is, sulat niya lang yung first term and second term. So we have x, isang positive, x plus 5, and then isang negative naman, x minus 5. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple mag-factor ng difference of two squares. So another example, we have y squared minus 16. So okay na tong y, naka-square siya. Minus 16 can be expressed as 4 times 4 or 4 square. Okay, so just apply the formula. So therefore, we have copy the first and the second term. So we have y, isang plus and then isang minus, y plus 4 times y minus 4. Okay, so napakasimple ng factoring na ito, difference of two squares. So ganun lang kasimple. Kung express lang natin sa ganitong form. Okay, so next example, 3 and 4. So we have 40 squared minus 1 and 25a squared minus 16b squared. So ang kailangan natin gawin ay i-express as square itong 40 squared. So yung 4, perfect square ang 4. Pwedeng isulat ang 4 as 2. 2 times 2. Okay? And then t square. So pwede itong isulat as 2t. Okay? So 2t, ayan, quantity square. Since 2 square is 4 and then t square, that is t squared. Minus 1 can be, pwede natin lagyan ng exponent ng 1. Since 1 times 1 or 1 to the power of 2, ayan, 1 squared, so that is also equal to 1. So therefore, it's now in the form a squared minus b squared. So therefore, the factors now is 2t plus 1 and then 2t minus 1. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple. So another example, so we have 25a squared and 16b squared. So dalawa na yung variable natin, pero ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin dyan. So in 25, express lang natin as rational, i-express natin as exponential form. So 25, that is equal to 5 square. Okay? So 25 is 5 square and then we have a square. So pwedeng ganito muna ang gawin natin, 25, 5 squared and then just copy a squared minus yung 16, pwedeng isulat yan as 4 times 4 or 4 squared and then just copy b squared. And then pwedeng by law of exponent natin, so pwedeng pag-isahin to dahil parehas square yan, so pwedeng isulat yan as 5a squared minus, so we have same square to, so we have 4b and then we have square. So it's now in the form a squared minus b squared. So therefore, the factors are, kopyahin lang ito. So we have 5a, isang plus at isang minus. 5a plus 4b and then times the parehas nito magiging minus lang 5a minus 4b. Okay. So next example, 5 and 6. 5 and 6, so we have, ang sign nito ay at number 5 natin, x squared plus 25. Yung 25 pwede yung i-express as 25, pwede yung maging 5 square. Pero ang pwede lang i-factor ay yung difference dapat. Difference. Kailangan ang sign natin ay minus dapat. Okay? Kapag plus, hindi ito factorable. Prime polynomial ito. Okay? So, wala nang sagot dyan. Wala na kayong gagawin. So, pwede nyo na lang isulat, not factorable or prime. Prime polynomial. Walang factor. So, not factorable ang number 5. Titingnan palagi ang sign. Kailangan ay minus dapat. Dahil plus, not factorable or prime polynomial. Okay, so for number 6, ganun pa rin ito. Naging, ito ay isulat natin to or isipin natin ito yung magiging A natin. Okay, so ang A natin yung 3x plus 2. So A squared. And then ito naman yung B squared 64, i-express natin as exponent of 2. Okay, so pwede natin isulat ito as 3x plus 2 squared minus 64, that is equal to 8 times 8 or 8 square. Okay, so yung first term natin naging binomial lang. Pero ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin dyan. So i-apply lang ang formula a squared minus b squared. So ang factor nun ay a plus b, a minus b. So ito yung magiging a natin, yung 3x plus 2. So therefore, pakita lang natin, i-enclose natin sa parenthesis. So we have 3x plus 2. Pinakita lang natin, naka-parenthesis. Ito yung first term natin plus the second term. Okay? So tapos tsaka natin i-simplify. Okay? So tapos ito yung a natin. So ito yung first term natin ha. First term plus, yan, yung square root nitong 64. So yun na nga yung 8. And then itong kabila naman, ito yung minus. So 3x plus 2 minus 8. Okay? So tapos, i-simplify lang natin. Combine like terms natin itong nasa loob. So 3x plus 2, bali wala lang itong parenthesis natin para lang malinaw na ito yung first term 3x plus 2, parehas 3x plus 2. Ang second term parehas 8, isang positive, isang negative. Pero bali wala lang yung parenthesis dahil plus naman. So i-combine natin itong 2. 2 plus 8. Ito naman 2 minus 8. So therefore, final answer natin, we have 3x, 2 plus 8. So we have plus 10. And then for this, just copy 3x, 2 minus 8. So that's equal to negative 6. So ito na yung kumpletong factor natin, 3x plus 10 times 3x minus 6. Okay, so next example, number 7 and 8. So parehas din ito nung kanina. Yung 25, i-express natin ang 25 as exponent na 2. So 25, so pwede yung isulat as 5 square. And then minus 3x minus 1 square. So parang mangyayari, ito yung A. Yan, ang A natin yung 5. Ito naman yung magiging B natin, yung 3x minus 1. Okay, so i-enclose ulit natin sa parenthesis para malinaw. So ang first term, yung 5, hindi natin kukopihin yung square, yung 5 lang. 5 and then isang plus, isang minus nung second term. Second term is yung nasa parenthesis, 3x minus 1. And then nakamultiply siya sa magiging negative naman ito. So 5 minus, ipaparenthesis natin, 3x minus 1. Okay, so now simplify natin. Tanggalin muna natin si parenthesis para malinaw. Ito kasi may negative sa labas. So para malinaw, kopyahin lang muna natin ito. Okay, so we have 5 plus 3x minus 1. So tinanggal lang natin yung parenthesis kasi positive yung nasa labas. Etong sa kabila, i-remove natin yung parenthesis pero change the sign kasi negative. Ito, tingnan nyo, negative yung bago yung parenthesis negative. So change the symbol, change the sign ng 3x. So 3x magiging negative 3x and then itong negative 1 magiging positive 1. Kasi dinistribute natin itong negative. Negative times positive 3x, negative 3x, negative times negative 1, that is positive 1. So tapos tsaka natin i-simplify yung nasa loob. So okay lang na mauna yung constant kasi negative naman itong 3x. So combine natin yung constant 5 minus 1. So that is 4. Just copy 3x. So 4 plus 3x. And then combine din ito 5 plus 1. So we have 6 minus 3x. Okay, so ito na yung final answer natin. 4 plus 3x times 6 minus 3x. So okay lang mauna yung 4 sa 3x kasi negative kasi itong 3x. So kung gusto nyo pagbaligtarin, parehas lang yon. 3x plus 4 and then negative 3x plus 6. Okay, so next, number 8, 2y squared minus 18. So this time, hindi perfect square. Paano kung hindi perfect square ang 18? Ang 18 hindi perfect square. Ganon din ang 2, hindi rin siya perfect square. So ibig sabihin, hindi pa natin pwedeng gamitin. Hindi pa. A squared minus b squared, hindi pa pwedeng gamitin. So ang gagawin natin, magko-common muna tayo. Di ba yung 2 and 18? So gamitin muna natin yung common. Paano ba yung common? AB plus AC, may common sila na A, ifa-factor out yung A, tapos B plus C. Okay? So gamitin muna natin itong common bago natin i-apply ito. Kasi yung 2 and 18, both divisible by 2. Okay? So factor out natin yung 2. Factor out natin yung 2. So we have, matitira dito, y squared. Minus yung 18, kapag finactor out natin yung 2 or i-divide natin sa 2, 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Okay, so ngayon, perfect square na ang 9. Okay, so nasa form na siya ng a squared minus b squared. Kasi ang 9, pwede nating isulat ang 9 ng minus 3 square. Okay, so apply na natin ngayon yung formula para dito, a squared minus b squared. So therefore, ang answer na natin is 2. Tanggalin lang yung square. So we have y, isang positive, and then isang negative. 2 times y plus 3 times y minus 3. Okay, so pag may mga example na hindi pa agad pwedeng i-apply ang difference of two perfect squares, so pwede tayong mag-common muna. Tingnan muna kung may common. Okay, so last set na tayo, number 9 and 10. 81 minus y to the fourth. Okay, so paano naman pag y to the fourth? Kapag y to the fourth, pwede natin niyang i-express as y square, tapos naka-square pa siya. Okay, so tapos itong 81, ang 81 ay apat na 3 ito. Kasi to the fourth ito eh. To the fourth itong isa, dapat to the fourth din itong isa. Okay, so apat ang 81 equal yan sa apat na 3. 3 times 3, that is 9. Times 3, that is 27. Times another 3, that is equal to 81. So therefore, ang 81, so that is equal to 3 to the fourth minus y to the fourth. Pero wala tayong direct formula para sa to the fourth power, kaya gagawin natin yung 3 to the fourth, pwede nating isulat ang 3 to the fourth as 3 square and then square. Di ba? Pag in-apply natin yung power of a power, dalawa yung exponent, i-multiply lang. 2 times 2, so that is equal to 3 to the fourth. So yung 3 to the fourth, pwede natin yan i-express as 3 square and then square minus yung y to the fourth, pwede yung isulat as y square and then square. Okay? So ngayon, i-apply natin yung formula natin. So paano yung formula? Isipin nyo itong 3 square, ito yung A. Ang y square, yun naman yung B. So cancelin lang natin yung square sa taas, di ba? Kina-cancel lang yung square sa taas. Tapos ang factor niya, isang plus, isang minus. So therefore, we have 3 square. Yung isa plus, tanggalin na ito exponent. So y square lang ang matitira. 3 square plus y square. And then itong isa naman, 3 square minus y square. Okay? So tapos ito, another difference of 2 squares ito. So tapos ito i-simplify na lang natin kasi yung 3 square ibalik na natin sa standard form niya, yung hindi exponent, gawin na lang natin itong 3 square, that is equal to 9. Okay? So therefore, equal na siya sa 3 square, so we have 9 plus y square. Tapos itong isa, pwede pa nating i-apply dito yung difference of 2 squares ulit. Kasi 3 square minus y square. So difference of 2 squares ulit. So therefore, ano ang factor na to? Tanggalin lang yung square. So that is 3 plus y and then times 3 minus y. So ito na yung kompletong factor niya. Okay, so dalawang beses nating in-apply kasi to the fourth ang power natin. Okay, so another example. Last example, number 10. 12y cubed minus 48y. So obviously, hindi pwede dito ang perfect difference of two squares kasi yung exponent natin cube. Cube, so dapat square dapat or multiple dapat ng 2. So ibig sabihin, magko-common monomial muna tayo. So ano ba ang common sa 12y cubed tsaka sa 48y? Ano ang number na pwedeng i-divide sa 12 tsaka 48? Yung divisible, so pwede nating i-factor out yung 12. Tapos yung isa y cube, yung isa naman y. So factor out natin ang common sa kanila, that is 12y. Okay? So tapos i-divide natin. 12y cube divided by 12y, so wala na yung 12, cancel na. Y cube divided by y, yun, we have y square na. And then we have negative 48 divided by 12, that is equal to 4. Y divided by y, 1 na lang yon. Okay, so therefore, ayan, pwede na nating i-apply ngayon yung difference of 2 squares. So we have y squared minus 4. 4 is a perfect square. So therefore, pwedeng isulat as 12y times y squared minus ang 4 that is equal to 2 square. Okay, so apply now the formula for difference of 2 squares. So therefore, this is now equal to 12y. So tanggalin lang yung square. So kopyahin lang yung y. And then isang plus at isang minus. Okay? Isang plus, isang minus netong second term natin na 2. Y plus 2, y minus 2. So ito na yung kompletong factor natin. 12y times y plus 2 times y minus 2. Okay, so that's all. So I hope nagustuhan nyo ang explanation ko para sa difference of two squares na type ng factoring. So thank you for watching at kung meron kayong math question ay i-comment nyo lang po dito sa aking channel. Pwede rin sa aking FB group or i-DM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye and God bless.